This is Mad Jack. I just bought my first Harley Davidson. It was delivered right before Christmas. And now is going to be my first chance to ride a real motorcycle in my life. Here we go, folks. This is going to be incredible. I can't wait for this first ride. Here we go. Hope my wife doesn't catch me. She told me I couldn't ride it till after January 1st, but the hell with that, man. I'm riding. Let's go ride this puppy. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's too big. Okay, I think I got it. Here we go. Now, what are all these things on the front here? I wonder what. Bike, man. I even got me a thing for my phone. I got a thing to keep the cops away. I even got a thing over here for my drink holder. And then I'm not sure what this thing does. And then all these buttons and stuff. Well, I'm going for a ride. Here we go. All right, y'all, hang on now. Ooh, watch the curve. Yeah, here comes the curve. Oh, shoot, there goes a deer. Oh, crap, I think my wife's coming. I'll see you guys later.